The power of gratitude, enhancing well-being and happiness. Introduction. Practicing gratitude is a simple yet profound act that can bring numerous benefits to our lives. It involves recognizing and appreciating the positive aspects of our experiences, relationships, and surroundings. In this clip, we will explore the various ways in which gratitude positively impacts our well-being and happiness. By examining the effects on mental, emotional, and physical health, we will highlight the transformative power of gratitude in our daily lives. 1. Mental health benefits. Gratitude has a significant impact on our mental well-being. By consciously focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, we shift our attention away from negative thoughts and emotions. This redirection helps reduce anxiety, stress, and depression. Gratitude encourages a change in perspective, enabling individuals to cultivate a more optimistic outlook and develop resilience in the face of challenges. Regularly practicing gratitude also enhances self-esteem and self-worth, fostering a sense of purpose and contentment. 2. Emotional well-being. Gratitude is closely linked to emotional well-being. It helps us cultivate positive emotions such as joy, happiness, and love. Expressing appreciation for the people, experiences, and things that bring us joy deepens our emotional connections and strengthens relationships. Gratitude also facilitates forgiveness and empathy, as it encourages us to see the good in others and acknowledge their contributions to our lives. By embracing gratitude, we gain emotional stability, nurturing healthier and more fulfilling relationships with ourselves and others. 3. Physical health benefits. Practicing gratitude has been found to have positive effects on physical health. Studies have shown that individuals who regularly engage in gratitude exercises experience improved sleep quality, reduced blood pressure, and enhanced immune system function. By reducing stress and promoting relaxation, gratitude indirectly supports physical health. Moreover, gratitude encourages healthier lifestyle choices, leading to increased physical activity, improved nutrition, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Furthermore, the positive emotions associated with gratitude release endorphins, boosting energy levels, and promoting overall well-being. In conclusion, the benefits of practicing gratitude are numerous and wide-ranging. By consciously focusing on the positive aspects of our lives, we can enhance our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Gratitude acts as a powerful tool for cultivating happiness, resilience, and healthy relationships. So, let us embrace the simple act of gratitude and unlock its transformative power to bring joy, contentment, and fulfillment into our lives.